Hello everyone, this is Sarah, and today I'm going to share a live trade with you which I am going to take in front of you, which is on the euro dollar. I have been analyzing the market for euro dollar for a few days, and I believe I have a good enough setup to get into the market. So what you can see in front of you is the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and we are on the daily time frame. You can see this is the daily time frame for the euro dollar, and the time is 9:30 a.m. Dubai time, which is 5:30 a.m. GMT, and it's the 28th of June. So right now euro dollar is trading at 1.1925, and I can see that there is a bearish momentum associated with the market on the higher time frames, which is in place since the last 2 weeks, which means that we should go with this momentum and short. So there are actually three things we look for when we want to confirm a trade setup. The first one is the market structure, which in this case is bearish. So the euro is depreciating with respect to the dollar. The second thing which we look for is the right price level to sell. So in this case, when we are sellers, we look for prices to push up to a certain resistance level. And as we can see, the prices here have actually pushed up to this previous resistance level of 1980. The third thing that you look for in a setup to confirm the price's direction is the price action or certain high probability candlestick patterns, which will confirm the direction of price. So I can see here three candles which have upward tails, which shows upward price rejection or downward pressure on prices. Especially the candle which formed on Friday was a candle which was showing you upward price rejection, and this is a setup which I call the bearish rejector. So once we have all these three factors in place, the market structure which is bearish, the price level which has gone up to a previous resistance, and the price action which is showing us that prices have the tendency to fall from this point, we are going to short the euro dollar. And I would be looking to hold my position to at least the next support. So the next support, as you can see, is it can be to 18 this is 80, yeah, to 1835. So if prices go in the direction that I have predicted, which is downwards, I'm going to take my profits around 1835 levels. And now I'm going to take this trade. So I'm going to take about 2% risk on this trade. So I never exceed more than 2% risk. So this is going to be about three and a half standard lots with a stop loss size of so this is about 55 pips. So now we're going to sell, and I did not put the stop loss, so I'm going to put the stop loss. Sorry. So the stop loss is actually 1980 here. So yes. So this is a live trade that I've taken in front of you, and I hope that you're able to understand why I've taken it. And if you want to see more of my videos explaining my strategies and explaining how and why and when I get into the markets, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on different social media platforms. You can also visit my website www.tradingpeace.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.